In this video we're taking an honest look at the ADCB TouchPoints Titanium and Gold credit cards, what they offer, what to watch out for, and whether they're truly worth having. Both cards come with no annual fee, plus monthly buy one get one free Vox Cinema tickets when you use the card. You'll also earn TouchPoints on everyday spending, which you can redeem for shopping vouchers, bill payments, or travel rewards. There are even 0% interest payment plans for school fees and major purchases, which adds flexibility for regular users. However, the value you get depends on how you use the card. While earning points sounds rewarding, the actual redemption rate can be modest, especially if you're not spending in the bonus categories or meeting the required monthly spend. The cinema offer is also limited to specific venues and purchases made directly with the card. Fees like foreign transaction charges, late payment penalties, and cash advance costs still apply, so carrying a balance can quickly erase any benefits. Overall, the ADCB TouchPoints Titanium and Gold cards are best suited for UAE residents who spend consistently on dining, entertainment, or groceries, pay their balance in full each month, and make use of the redemption options. Used wisely, these cards can offer good lifestyle value, but for casual spenders or those who often pay interest, the perks may not stand out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest and practical financial reviews.